Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on locating the message ID of any message on Discord. This is quick and easy to do, so let's begin. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. In order to access message IDs from here, we first need to enable developer options on Discord. To do that, open up the user settings from the bottom left of the screen. Scroll down the left sidebar in Settings and open up the Appearance category. Now at the bottom of the Appearance settings, enable Developer Options. We can now go back to the message we want to copy. Simply click the three dots beside the message and then select Copy ID. This will save the unique message ID to your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you'd like. This option is only visible now because we enabled developer options. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.